In today's video, we are going to discuss another circle theorem, and it states that angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Now let's have a circle, and to get the segment of a circle, we actually need a chord. A chord divides the circle into two unequal halves. So here's our chord. So this region, the upper region here is the major segment, and the minor region here is the minor segment. So let's indicate this point as A, and let's indicate this as B. So we have arc AB. So let's draw a line, a curve, follow my green ink. So my green ink is showing arc AB. So arc AB is set to subtend an angle. Let's indicate C to be a point on the circumference. So arc AB is set to subtend an angle at C. If you need a detailed explanation on what it means for an arc to subtend an angle, you can click on the link in the description below. So arc AB subtend an angle at C if we have a line coming from A here, another line coming from B and joins at C. So we have theta. We can label this angle as theta. We have another line from the same point A, alright, and let's label this as a D. This is another point on the circumference. And another line coming from B to join what's equal D. So we have another angle here, and this angle is theta. Why? Because both of them are in the same major segment. We can also have it this way. Okay, this like this goes in here. We have another one like this goes in here. So if we call this angle A, this is also angle A. Why? Because they are both in the same minor segment. So let's consider some examples. In this example, we are going to look for the size of angle A and the size of angle B. So what I'm going to do is to look for an arc that actually subtend angle 66 and angle 44. So let me focus on 44 first. So let me draw an arc that actually subtend angle 44. So let's have it. Alright, so that's the arc subtending angle 44. So let's label this point as X, and let's label this point as Y. So let's show how arc XY is subtending angle 44. So let's have this line. Good. All right. So that's arc XY subtending angle 44. So which other angle is arc XY subtending? Let's have it again. Follow my blue ink. This arc is also subtending. Arc XY is also subtending angle 44 degree. So this angle is 44 degrees because they are both in the same segment. Now we have a triangle. Let me draw the triangle here. We have a triangle 66 degrees, 44 degrees, and this is B. So sum of angles in a triangle, so B plus 66 plus 44 equals to 180. Sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180. So 66 plus 44, that should give us 110 is equals to 180 degrees. So let's subtract 110 from both sides of the equation. So what are we going to have at the end of the day? So 110 minus 110, that's 0. So 180 negative 110, that's 70 degrees. So B is equals to 70 degrees. Let's find angle A. Let's find the size of angle A. So let's look out for the arc subtending angle 66. So let's still label this as X and this as Y, and let us trace it to angle 66. So this is arc XY subtending angle 66. So same arc XY is subtending this angle. Let's see. Good. So let's label this angle as C. So the same arc XY that subtend angle 66 is subtending angle C because they are in the same segment. Alright, so what is C now? So because the angles in the same segment, C is equals to 66 degrees. But we are asked to look for A. So how do we do that? Sum of angles on a straight line is equals to 180 degrees. So A plus C is equals to 180 degrees. So what is our C? C is 66 and equals to A. So what's A now? We're going to subtract 66 from both sides of the equation. And what are we going to have at the end of the day? So we have A 66 negative 66, that's 0. 180 negative 66, that is 114 degrees. In this example, let us look out for the arc subtending angle 30 degrees. So this is the arc subtending angle 30 degrees. Good. So let's trace it to 30 degrees. So we can label this A and we can label this as B. Alright, so arc AB subtend angle 30 degrees. So what arc AB is subtending which angle again? So let's start from A, same starting. Fantastic. So as arc AB is subtending angle 38 degrees, arc AB is subtending angle X. So therefore, X is equals to 38 degrees. Angles in the same segment are equal. Moving on, let us look out for the arc subtending angle 55 degrees. Here's the arc. Follow my blue ink. Okay, good. We have it. So let's label this as A. Let's label this as B. So arc AB is subtending angle 55 degrees. So let's say that starting from A, then from B again. So that's arc AB subtending angle 55 degrees. Same arc AB now. Same arc is subtending angle Z. Can you see that? Good. From A, can you see that? Good. So here now we can say that Z is equals to 55 degrees because angles subtended by the same arc in the same segment are equal. Now let us attempt to find angle Y. So which arc is subtending angle Y? So it's this arc. Follow my blue ink. So let's label this arc A, B. So starting from A now, we trace it up. So this arc AB subtending angle Y. So which other angle is AB subtending? Okay, so let's label this angle as A, small letter A. So arc AB is subtending angle A. Yes, arc AB is subtending angle A. So we can say that A is equals to Y because angles subtended by the same arc AB are in the same segment. Therefore, they are equal. So A is equals to Y, but we don't know A. Okay, very good. But if you look at this critically, you will agree with me that A plus X is equals to 68 degrees. Yes, we are given 68. You can see that in green ink. So these two angles sum up to 68 degrees. So what's our A? That's what we're looking for. X is what? We've gotten that already. 38 degrees is equals to 68 degrees. So subtract 38 from both sides of the equation. So you have A 30 negative 30, that's 0. So 68 negative 38, that is 30. So A is 30 degrees. So if A is 30 degrees, because A is equals to Y, angles subtended by the same arc AB in the same segment are equal. So therefore, Y is equals to 30 degrees. Let's proceed to the third example. So in this example, we are going to look for the size of angle R and that of angle X. So the first step to take is to look out for the arc that subtend angle R. Yes, and here's the arc subtending angle R. Okay, good. All right, so we can label it. So this is A, this is B. So let's trace it to R. Arc AB is subtending angle R. All right, which other angle is arc AB subtending? Okay, let's start from A again. Let's label this angle as A. So we can say A is equals to R, angle subtended by the same arc. In the same segment, those angles are equal. So we can say angle A is equals to R. So now we want to look for angle A. Now if you look critically in here, you will notice that A is inside a triangle, and that is what I am trying to trace out now. Good. Alright, so let's have it. Good. A is inside a triangle. So we can extend this, alright, and extend this. Good. So let's withdraw that. We have so we can label this to be B, and this is C. So let's find B. That will be angles on a straight line. So B plus 92 equals to 180 degrees. So B is going to be 180 negative 92. So, and that is going to give us what? 88 degrees. So B is 88. So it means that this place is 88. So we do the same thing for C. Sum of angles on a straight line is equals to 180 degrees. So C plus 112 is equals to 180 degrees. It's C plus 112 equals to 180 degrees. So C is equals to 180 negative 112. So C is going to give us what? 68 degrees. So we are going to write 68 here. 68 degrees. So let's proceed to look for the size of angle A. So that's going to be sum of angles in a triangle equals to 180 degrees. So A plus 88 plus 68 is equals to 180 degrees. So 88 plus 68, that is 156 degrees, equals to 180. So subtract 156 from both sides of the equation. We end up having 180 negative 156. A is equals to 24 degrees. A is now 24 degrees, so we'll put 24 here now. We'll put 24 here. So remember we said that A is equals to R. Since our A is 24, therefore R is equals to 24. So R is equals to 24 degrees. Now, so how do we look for S? Now let us trace the triangle containing S. Let me draw it. Alright. So let's label this as M. So we're going to look for M. So very easy to get. So M plus 92 is equals to 180 degrees. That's sum of angles on a straight line. That's 180 degrees. So M is going to be 180 negative 92. Then M is going to be 88 degrees. So we'll replace M with 88 degrees. So now that we have replaced M with 88 degrees, because our M is 88 degrees, so let us now find angle S. So that's going to be sum of angles in a triangle. That's equals to 180 degrees. Alright, so S plus 24 plus 88 equals to 180 degrees. So 24 plus 88, 112 equals to 180 degrees. So subtract 112 from both sides of the equation. So we're going to have X is equals to, because 112 negative 112 is 0. So 180 negative 112, that's 68 degrees. Thank you so much guys for watching.